Hi everyone, welcome back to the Excel Masterclass. And today we are going to cover the sum formula. So there's a couple of different ways to sum a bunch of items. Actually, a really quick way and something that's built into Excel. If you look at the bottom left right hand corner of Excel here, and if I highlight the cells that I want, you can see that it automatically does a sum, a count, and an average where it's possible to do so. And if you just want to have a quick look at some data and see how much something adds up to or averages, then that is a good way to do it, which is great. But actually, if you wanted to add it up all the time and see what the thing is, then you need to use a bit of a formula. So the first formula that we can do, we can actually go equals, open a bracket because it's, equals sum. And we could do B2 plus B3 plus B4, and we could just type that in as we go along. You can see it highlights it. You can see which ones it's doing. If I close the bracket and press OK, it will sum those three. Just to check that, you can see it's 11 in the bottom. But that is not a particularly easy way to do it. Another way you could do it is, if I just take the things out, you could actually go, you can press the first one, then click on it, then click Control. And if you notice, instead of the plus, it puts the comma signs in between. So that's probably quite good when you're doing separate cells. So if you're doing a cell, want to add a cell over here to a cell over here, that's probably a useful way to do it. The other way to do a sum is to highlight the whole column like that. And then you've got the whole column added. And just to check it, you can see it's 96 and it's 96. Now, the problem with that is we could change things in here. So we could change that to a 5 and it will automatically add it up. But we couldn't add anything to that. So if I wanted to add, for example, an orange onto the end here, and I want to make that 5, that's not going to automatically add that up because that is only adding to B15. And I've now got to B16. So probably the best way to do a sum, if you were going to be adding things to the bottom of adding rows to the bottom, then probably the best way to do it is just to highlight this entire row. So you can actually go take that out and just go like that. And if you notice, it's now just got B to B, no numbers. That's because it's done the whole column. If I press enter, you can see now it's added those 5 oranges onto the bottom. And if I add another item onto the bottom of that, you can see that automatically adds it on. And you would do that all the way down. You could come and copy and paste lots of different items to there and it would add it. The other way to do a sum, instead of typing equals sum open bracket, you could actually use this little formula wizard up here. Now, if you click on this little arrow, it takes you to lots of different formulas that you can do, but AutoSum will automatically do a sum. So if you notice, it's done that, and it's tried to recognize where I might be doing the sum. And you can see it's done B2, C3 because it's there. So all you need to do is highlight it automatically. You don't need to take it out. All you need to now do is just highlight that row again, press enter, and you can see that it's automatically done it. Just a quick way to do the sum really is to click that up here instead of typing it in. Okay, that is the sum function, everybody. Thank you.